Affiliate marketing is a process where publishers earn a commission by using an affiliate link to promote a product or service made by another retailer or advertiser. Affiliate marketing is the process by which an affiliate earns a commission for marketing another person's or company's products. Affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing strategy where individuals or businesses, known as affiliates or publishers, promote products or services offered by another company. Affiliates earn a commission for each sale, click, or action generated through their marketing efforts. This model is commonly used in e-commerce and online businesses to drive traffic and sales. It is a mutually beneficial arrangement where both the advertiser and the affiliate can earn money. This is how affiliate marketing generally works. 1. Advertiser, merchant, or retailer. This is the business or company that sells a product or service and wants to increase its online sales or generate leads. They set up an affiliate program to attract affiliates to promote their products or services. Two, affiliate, publisher. Affiliates are individuals or entities that partner with the advertiser to promote their products or services. Affiliates can use various marketing channels such as websites, blogs, social media, email marketing, or other online platforms to reach potential customers. Since advertisers only pay for actual results, there's minimal risk involved in affiliate marketing. Advertisers can set the terms and conditions of their affiliate programs to align with their goals and budget. 3. Affiliate network or platform. Affiliates are often experts in their niches or industries. Their knowledge and credibility can help promote products or services effectively to a targeted audience. Some affiliate programs are managed through affiliate networks or platforms that act as intermediaries between advertisers and affiliates. These networks help facilitate the tracking of affiliate activities, payments, and provide tools for affiliates and advertisers to manage their partnership. 4. Tracking and attribution. To track the performance of affiliates, unique affiliate links or tracking codes are assigned to each affiliate. When a potential customer clicks on an affiliate's link and makes a purchase or completes a specified action on the advertiser's website, the affiliate platform tracks this activity. 5. Payment. Affiliates are typically paid by the advertiser or affiliate network on a regular basis, often monthly, based on the accumulated commissions. Payment methods can include checks, direct bank deposits, PayPal, or other electronic payment options. Affiliate marketing enables businesses to expand their reach globally by partnering with affiliates from different regions. Affiliate marketing is a beneficial method for any business that wants to grow. It's sales without spending on a traditional advertising budget. Growing your affiliate marketing strategy is a long process that involves individuals and giving them the right tools and incentives to promote your brand and products. Hope you understand about affiliate marketing. If you have any doubt, please let us know in the comments section or contact us through mail. All the best from Anaganaga Groups for your affiliate marketing business. Thank you.